Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in the Red Hills area. It sits on half acre of land. It comes with helper's quarters, dining room, large kitchen, living room on both floors, study, laundry room with ample storage, water tank and standby generator. It offers a fantastic view of the city and the surrounding neighborhoods from the balconies. Although it is away from the hustle and bustle of the city, it is in proximity to all the major facilities. With a little upgrade, you can make this your dream home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 90 million or US $584,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.